Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to be talking about the motion light sensors that you can pick up off from Amazon. It comes in a pack of 3 for about $9 to $10 or so, and they run on 3 AAA batteries. And I've been getting my batteries from Powerowl for the last year or so, and I'm really excited about them because they're rechargeable and they seem to be holding up really well. One of the things I do have troubles with, and I'm not sure if it's the light, and I have noticed in a couple of other things, is the Powerowl seems to be just a tad bit bigger and it's a little bit tighter to get in and out. But other than that, no problems at all. As far as the lights themselves, you've got adjustments here that you can adjust the sensor of where you want it to go. So once you mount it up on underneath the counter or whatnot, you can kind of adjust the sensor. There's no on and off switch on these or anything like that, but I believe they may be light sensitive because if the light's on, I've noticed them that they don't turn on. So maybe they have some sort of a sensor on there. But I'm liking them so far. One of the down draws of these is if you stick them on something, you want to make sure that it's going to stay there, because I had stuck this on the camper up underneath just to try it because I wasn't sure it was going to put it, and it actually removed some of the sealing. So it's really sticky. So once you put it where you want it, you're going to make sure that you're not going to move that again. And once you do that, all you have to do is it will slide. Once it's up there, it will slide one way, and you can take it out, replace your batteries. Okay, I got the Powerowl in there now. Replace the batteries, and then you can kind of slide it back up there, and then you're good to go. I've had this in the camper, tried it out in there. I bought a couple packages of these. So I've got a few in the camper. I put one in the kitchen and tried that out. So it displays everything on the Lazy Susan. And I also tried a closet as well. So when you go getting clothing, the light comes on there as well. So they're not really a bad deal. For 10 bucks, you really can't beat them. So far, I've only had them for about 2 weeks or so, and I'm real happy with them. So we'll kind of try them out. Again, I'm using the Powerowl batteries to power them, and you can get those on Amazon as well. Well, I hope this kind of answers some questions. If you're interested in getting in the 3-pack motion sensor LED lights, like I said, it's been a couple of weeks. We're going to try them out and see how it works. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.